So guys, this is that YouTube logo that I am going to put on my bike now. As you guys can see on my front visor, on this part, I will be applying this sticker. Should I put it here or I should put it in another place where it can look more better? Then see that you please comment below and let me know. Or should I put this sticker or I should not put it at all? All those things, see that you comment below and let me know guys. So come on, let's start the video. So my bike is KTM on which I will be putting this sticker. So before I put it, I have washed my bike thoroughly, as you guys can see. Now after washing the bike, I took a tissue paper and I wiped the front visor from inside and outside as well. And I wiped it dry because there was lots of water on this visor guys. And when you are putting the sticker guys, there should be absolutely no moisture in the surface. Now this sticker guys, I have ordered online because you guys know that I like to do my own things. If I wanted, I could have gone to a sticker shop like this and I could have told them to do the thing. But if you can do all these things at home, then why you have to go to any other place guys? You guys also want a sticker like this, then I will put a link of it in the description below. I had ordered this on Amazon. If you go in the description below, you will get the link of this sticker. So the first thing that I did was I took a ruler like this. I took some measurements from where till where this sticker will reach. I saw that first. Then I draw a line like this so that I can look at that line and place my sticker properly. And as you guys can see how I have drawn a line here on my front visor, with the help of which I will place the stickers on my visor. Now as you guys can see, my sticker is in two parts. Now the U which is written is not in line with the tube. That is the reason why I will place both of them separately according to the line that I have drawn. So the first thing that we'll have to do is peel out the tape which is there on top like this. So the first thing that I will place is the tube part. So I will peel out the tube, but before peeling it out completely, for the last time I will place the sticker on the visor and I will see where I will place it. So here I have peeled out the tube and wherever I have drawn the line guys, I will place the sticker according to that line. Here I did a mistake guys, I accidentally placed it wrongly. So I will take it out again and I will put it back. Now guys, to put stickers like this is also a very good skill, and you should be knowing this skill if you are into auto body and painting guys. Because sometimes you will have to put the decals, sometimes you will have to put the bike stickers on the tank or on the back part. That is the reason why you should be knowing something at least about this skill. And to practice this skill, you can do things like this. Now as you guys can see, I have placed the first part of the sticker. If there are any air bubbles inside, then you can press the sticker like this with the finger and take it out. Now I am done placing half of my sticker. Now I will place the U part. Now to put the U part, again I will have to use the same tape. So put the tape on top of the U like this, then scrub it from top a little bit so that the U part sticks to the tape. Now all these stickers should stick to the tape guys before you take the tape out. The way they stick to your tape, in the same way they will get stick to your visor as well. So here I have taken out the U from the base. Now in a very relaxing way, I will place the U on my front visor wherever I have drawn the line. When you are doing things like this guys, you have to be very relaxed and you have to be extremely careful as well. If you make a haste here, then you can easily mess it up. Once you place the sticker properly, see that you scrub it on top of the tape like this and then take the tape out. So here I am done applying the YouTube guys. How it is looking, and should I put my channel name also here, or should I place this sticker somewhere else, or if I should not put only this sticker, then see that you comment below and let me know guys. If I get many comments on this, then I can even change this sticker guys. Now how much I paid for this YouTube sticker, you will come to know about it when you check the link on Amazon. So go there and check it out guys. How big this sticker is, that you guys have seen here already. And if you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel guys, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is RysFix signing out. Until we meet again.